This 2025 Venture RV Stratus SR291VQB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.